Hey, welcome to another episode. I'm Dr. Ted McAvoy here at the University of Georgia Tifton campus. I'm the vegetable extension specialist. So today we've got watermelon. Watermelon is by far the biggest spring crop in our area, in the Tifton area. The 4th of July market is supplied by North Florida and South Georgia. So, you know, it's watermelon season. Watermelon is a very important vegetable crop in our area. But we're doing an experiment today on anthracnose, specifically irrigation timing and disease development. So anthracnose is a fungus. It likes wet conditions. A lot of our watermelons are overhead irrigated. So we wanted to see if it's better to overhead irrigate at 6 a.m., 12 p.m., 12 noon, or 6 p.m. versus no overhead irrigation to see our disease development. This is part of a very large grant. Anthracnose is becoming more of a problem. This is a grant being led by Dr. Bhavesh Dutta here at the University of Georgia, vegetable plant pathologist. And we're looking at different states: Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, New York, Virginia. And we're looking at which species and isolate of anthracnose that we have. We're looking at fungicide screenings. We're looking at variety trials. We're doing this on watermelon and cucumber, but this specifically is watermelon and irrigation management. Characteristic symptoms for this disease are black spots on the leaves and diamond-shaped lesions on the stems. Here we have our microjet sprinklers that we have attached to timers, so it is watering daily for 30 minutes at the different times that I mentioned. As well as we have over there leaf wetness sensors, so we could measure how wet the leaf gets and how long it stays wet. Our hypothesis is that the longer it stays wet, the more disease development you'll have. One of the biggest questions I get is, how do you tell if a watermelon's ready? Well, there's two things I like to look at. One is a dead tendril. So right where the fruit is attached to the stem, you have a tendril. If it's green or yellow, it's probably not ready. But when it's brown and the belly or the underside is yellow, that means the watermelon should be ready. That's what the two things I look for. Just splitting open. There's a nice juicy ripe watermelon right there. Fresh from Georgia.